We're now only, what, a couple of hours away from the official start of spring, unless, of course, you're going by the meteorological seasons, which had spring rolling in at the beginning of the month. So now is the perfect time to start your garden growing. Wouldn't you agree? This morning, we're showing you how to start from scratch with our favorite farmer florist, Antonio Valente. Good to see you.
And me. Thank you.
And Bet's here, yes. You got to get in on this, right?
Of course, of course. Okay, so why would we do this, Antonio? I could get somebody to do this for me, right?
Yes. Okay, so Ben, the two major advantages to starting your own seeds. Number one, it's extremely cost effective. So if you're like me and you grow a ton of plants, you know, for $5 you can get 50 seeds in a packet, okay? The second thing is that you're opening up yourself to a much wider variety of flowers. So most of the things that you see me posting on Instagram, those are like specialty varieties of flowers. You won't find those as starter plants at your garden center in the spring.
Okay.
How much more difficult is it to start seeding versus like to keep it going?
No, it's depending on what it is that you're growing, it's super easy, Lindsey. You can follow today's example.
Demo, and you're gonna walk us through. So is this my station?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, this is my station.
After you, yes.
Okay, so these are some of the supplies that you're gonna need.
Right.
This here is a mini greenhouse. Okay, it comes as a kit, and it comes in 3 portions. We have.
I'll take this.
Thanks, Linz. We have our tray.
Okay.
Okay, then we have our cells that we're gonna be planting inside of, and then we have, lastly, our humidity dome.
Yeah, just to keep it, humid.
Yeah, this keeps our seeds nice and moist while they are germinating. Okay, then of course we're gonna need some labels.
Of course.
Okay, you're always labeling what it is that you're growing on one side and the date on the other.
The date?
Yeah, so you can keep track of what's going on.
Right.
Okay?
Yes.
You're gonna want some seeds. Buy your seeds from a reputable source. Make sure they're super, super fresh.
Are there are there seeds that are like dirty seeds? Like they're like they're like
Why?
the bad crop? They're like
Totally bad.
Really?
Okay.
They're disreputable seeds and purveyors.
Yes,
What a weird business to be in. Okay.
Yeah, no.
But why? What's
You got to have a good dealer, is what you're saying.
That's going to take out a whole other meeting after July 1st.
That's right.
That'll be our
Okay.
next segment, guys.
That's true.
And then the last thing you're gonna wanna probably invest in, possibly, is a heating mat. Okay, and this just delivers a nice, warm, even heat to our seeds. And that's what this is here. Okay, so if you're growing in like your basement where
I was gonna say, where are we growing this? This is all inside.
Yeah, but if you're growing in like your basement and it tends to be a bit cooler, you might wanna invest in a seed.
You also need soil, I'm guessing.
Yes, that's the next thing.
That's what I bring to the table.
Yeah, so you're gonna wanna invest in a good quality potting soil. Okay, one specifically formulated for starting seeds.
Yeah.
Okay, and then, now this is where I'm gonna need your help.
Sure.
Okay, so this is our seed tray here.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to just show, we're just gonna finish filling this tray.
Okay. So is the idea that we're going to grow them inside, obviously, and then plant them outside?
And then plant them outside,
Obviously.
Where would
exactly.
you keep that in? Like, are you keeping that in your house somewhere? Does it need
you
direct
could
sunlight?
Yes, direct sunlight. You could keep it in a window, or you could even put them under some artificial lighting.
Okay.
Some that replicates the sun. Okay, so we're gonna fill this up.
Right.
Okay, so we're gonna get these going. Okay, so we're gonna we're gonna fast forward because I fear we're gonna run out of time.
I think we might. So let's.
Okay.
So we're gonna do some seeding.
What am I looking at?
Okay. So we're going to have a little bit of a seed race here, guys. You up for it?
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so Ben, you're gonna do this row.
Okay.
Linz, you're gonna do this row.
Okay.
And what are we making, by the way, where we're seeding?
Okay, so today we're planting some purple opal basil. That
Okay,
beautiful,
great.
dark-leafed purple basil.
Basil, love it,
Beautiful.
okay.
Okay, so Lynn, so you're gonna do
These are my
things-
seeds?
Yes, these are your seeds. You're gonna do things the old-fashioned way. You're gonna hold some wax paper. I have the seeds here, and a pencil. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go through, and you're just gonna insert 1 to 2 seeds
This is so
into
delicate.
each
Wait, I'm
cell.
not digging a hole or anything?
No, not.
You don't have to.
Okay.
No, we're gonna put some soil on top of it.
Oh, okay.
And is this mine?
Okay, so I've got this one.
Okay, so Ben, you are going to be
Oh my
using
gosh.
something called the Pro Seeder.
It's like a vacuum.
So you get to be the pro.
All right.
Okay.
This
so
is gonna be
In theory,
there you
okay, we
go.
gotta do this.
Okay, Ben. So those are your seeds.
Okay, and
so you're gonna press that. Yeah, it's gonna
and then-
suck up a seed.
Okay.
And then you're gonna come down
I
to the
got
cells,
it.
and then, there you go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, you said 1 to 2, right?
Okay. I'm just doing.
1 to 2 seeds.
Oh, I dropped it, but
this
it
is
went
like
in one.
watching like a race in slow-mo. Okay, ready?
Oh, I lost it.
So, but here's the thing. You
Okay.
can't even tell if
I got it. Okay, I've got 3 so far.
The
Oh, I'm
Pro
at
Seeder
4.
that Ben's
I've
using
got
is really good for like
4.
small seeds.
Oh, I'm picking up my pace. Watch that. I've got a
5.
system going.
Good. Ooh, let's go.
2.
6. What are you doing? You're.
That's how it's done, people.
Oh.
You know what? I don't know that you were putting the
Lindsey.
care and attention.
High five, girl.
Thank you. And what's this over here?
Yeah,
This
okay.
lastly.
This looks like.
Yeah. Lastly, okay. So
Because you wouldn't-
so these are some seedlings that were started 6 weeks ago.
Okay.
Oh, no way.
And my
Yeah.
guess is you don't just take these and chuck them outside.
Yes, exactly, Ben. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna harden them off. And that means simply slowly acclimating the plants to the elements outside. So you do this roughly about a week before you're planting them out. So on the first day, you'll put them in a sheltered spot outside for about 2 to 3 hours. The second day, 3 to 4 hours, slowly increasing it every day.
Oh my gosh.
Because if you put them outside like this from the inside of from the comfort of your home, shock, you can actually even kill the plants.
All right, well, thank you very much. These are all great tips. We appreciate it, Antonio, and we will be right back.